Hi everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm with another busy book and which is for my 5-year-old. We are doing addition in daily activities, but now this is a book where I'm going to test all the concepts which I've taught her in fun or random way and see where has he reached. So we are doing here single digit addition. Mixed means single and double digit addition using tens and ones. So let's start with the first page here. So first we are just going to do single digit addition. This she usually doesn't have fingers, like think 9 in your mind and then add 3, so 9, 10, 11, 12. But this time I do not want her to write the number. I want her to write in tens and ones, because when we proceed ahead in the double digit addition, I have taught them using tens and ones, so that's why I want her to start figuring it out from here itself. So she has done them in the rough, another way, but this is the first time I'm going to do it officially in the busy book. So that's what she'll write the numbers, like 10 plus 6, 16. She would know single digit, she is good, so she'll just write 1 1. So we have 1 tens and 1 ones. After we are done with the single digit addition, that's a warm up. Then I go to the next page. So this is a single digit and double digit addition. Basically one is a single digit and one is a double digit. So how I have taught her, like if this is number 12, there is 1 tens and 2 ones, and this is 6 ones. So with these 2 ones get added and it becomes 8. So how many tens we have? We have 1 tens, and how many ones do we have? 8. So the answer should be 1 and 8. So this is how I'm going to make sure that we practice this once again and doing the same thing here. So there is no carryover here. It's a simple single and double digit addition, just trying to reinforce the concept of tens and ones and how do we do addition using tens and ones concept here. So once I know that she's done with this one, then I'll move to the next level, which is a double digit addition. So here we have not like carry forward, here it's a simple one. So we'll start with a simple one here. So in 12 we have 1 tens and 2 ones. 13 we have 1 tens and 3 ones. So we'll add ones and ones, it'll become 5. So she will do like this and make 5, and tens and tens, 1 1 2, and it'll become like this. Now this is the new concept here which I have not taught her till now, in the sense we have not practiced this kind of question which is carry forward. We have done all these things using manipulatives. We know that when we have more than 10 ones, we replace it by 1 tens. All those things she knows with manipulatives. But this time we are going to do just on the page, and once she gets done with this page concept, then we'll start thinking in the mind. That's how I proceeded with my elder one too. So here 4 tens, 5 ones, 2 tens, 6 ones. Add the ones, it becomes 11. So it cannot be 11, so it means it has to be 1, and it will get one more tens, and then 4 plus 2, 6 plus 7. So that is how we are trying to do it here, and if it doesn't work like this, we'll again bring back the manipulative and try it. But that's how I am going to proceed her with addition. And this is the test time. Once I'm done all these, I'll see like 9 plus 9, single digit, double digit plus single digit, but it has a carryover. I'll see does she do with the counting on fingers, and this one has to be done with, but this time I have not drawn the circles. She need to draw everything by herself and see if can she do it. So again I'm telling, my 5-year-old will not be able to do it 100%. I'll be sitting right next to her and explaining her once again on a rough sheet that this is how we do addition. Maybe I'll use manipulators, but this is how I'm going to proceed ahead with the addition concepts with her. So these are the simple questions, and hope this helps your child too. Thank you. Bye bye.